We are heading out to start our day for the Operation Safe Drinking Water water catchment installation. We're just leaving Red Frog Beach now. We're going to take the boat taxi over to Almirante, so we'll say that. This is boat ride number 2, over to leaving Bocas Town, over to Almirante, where the bus will, or the guys with the catchments will actually pick us up. So we're in Almirante and we're stopping at a house that somebody is kind enough to let Operation Safe Drinking Water use as a warehouse. You can see here is our tubing, and we're doing a little pickup here. That's Joe Bass, the head of Operation Safe Drinking Water, and this is Dave, our makeshift engineer from Colorado.
Because we're going to have one, overflow. So we need one to go there to get into this tank. So that's one. And then we need one overflow here. That's 2. Okay. And this other, we're going to need some elbows for that one. And this one here, we need 3.
Yeah, this is small stuff.
Okay, so we're going to need 3 of these, 2 more of these guys here.
That's the one that we can get.
Yeah.
Remember?
We got to get something. We got to get, the other one didn't have any more.
We could try to see if we can get. We could stop the accident. Or we could do like how we did it on 1.5.
So we've stopped at a local hardware store because we were missing some of the piping for this, but as you can see, we're loading up our 2 water tanks that we have purchased and getting ready to roll out.
Cuídate, choca. You need for that? This one.
You're going to need another one of those, okay?
Do you have any for me?
We have, okay, that's the second one, so we have both tanks. Those.
So we're here at the school, and this is the most efficient way to move the water tank, the old-fashioned roll. You see, we've got the footy pitch here, and we've got all sorts of students helping to carry in our tubing, and away we go.
Okay, today what we're doing is we're taking this existing tank on the school and we're going to improve the catch going into that and adding this second tank to it. So what we have to do is set up this lower tank and do an overflow from this one, so when it's full it immediately starts filling the second tank. And then we're going to connect both of the bottoms of these tanks to the faucet, to the water line on the bottom, which will take the water to the various places that they've got to pipe to. So basically that's it. That'll double their ability to catch water. So instead of 600 gallons, they'll be able to hold 1,200 gallons. So, and then on the building down further, we're going to add a catch on the roof down there and add a tank down there with a tap, so that then they'll have the another 600 gallons down by the kitchen that they can work from. And that's about it. So being that it's not raining, we can get our rain catch on today without getting swamped. So if we work fast.
If we work fast.
La escuela, nuestro sincero agradecimiento por tenernos en cuenta, por este aporte que le están haciendo a nuestros estudiantes, ¿verdad? Que es de gran importancia. Necesario el agua, es vital el agua en nuestra escuela. Así que de parte del personal docente, padres de familia, estudiantes, nuestro sincero agradecimiento. Así que tenemos un pequeño presente para ustedes. Y la lista de los estudiantes.
This is a scroll signed by all the students.
all the children signed this thank you note. That's very nice. Oh. Look how many.
Oh, nice. Handicraft, yeah. I've never seen that. Oh, that's nice. With the name of the school on the side of Miraflores.
Thank you. Muchas
Oh, that's
gracias.
nice. ¿Cuántos estudiantes?
Someone told me long ago there's a calm before the storm. I know it's been coming for some time. When it's over, so they say it'll rain a sunny day. I know, shining down like water. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Coming down Sunday.
This is the second tank that we installed in a second location about 30 or 40 meters away from the other tank. So this school will now have two separate water tanks.
Yesterday and days before, sun is cold and rain is hot. I know, been that way for all my time. Till forever on it goes, through the circle fast and slow. I know, it can't stop. I wonder. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Coming down sunny day. Yeah. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Coming down sunny day.
Water already, man.
That was fast. You guys just finished and you got water in it. Why doesn't that work that way every time you put a tank in? Huh?
We forget to pray before.
Yeah.
Today we did some prayers.